Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Baxter, emergency pediatrician and inventor of VibraCool. Here's how you use your VibraCool Flex. To open the box, pull on the bottom tab and slide the tab out. Each box comes with an ice pack for cold, a reusable hot snap for heat. You can use your own belt, or we included a latex-free strap, and the vibration unit with batteries included. Before using VibraCool, make sure the ice packs are frozen solid. The ice melts after 20 minutes to reduce the risk of freezer burn, so keep it between other ice packs during transportation. To activate the hot snap, grab the metal oval between both thumbs and fingers and move back and forth until crystallization starts. This will activate the heat. To re-energize the hot snap, boil the unit until the pack is clear again. Allow to cool before reusing. To begin using your VibraCool, slide the vibration unit into the sleeve and strap it over the area of pain, keeping the thermal part closest to your skin, then press the top of the unit to activate vibration. You can also wrap VibraCool around your foot to relieve the symptoms of plantar fasciitis. The VibraCool unit has a 20-hour battery life. If the batteries run out, simply unscrew on the back of the unit and replace with 2 new AAA batteries. For more information about VibraCool and to stay updated about VibraCool content and new products, check out and subscribe to our channel.